What's going on, YouTube? On my way to pick up John and bring him to Rain's Precision Motorsports to pick up his newly modified 2014 Charger RT. Stay tuned. Picking it up, huh, John?
I'm excited. I am pumped.
It's good. So if you guys don't remember, John's the one that did a call out to me last year.
Yeah.
Said that you were going to race me. You knew you were going to lose, but
hey, why not? But this time, I think I might stand a chance.
let's go inside and see what John did.
Let's do it.
John's got to fire up for the first time since he dropped it off.
All right, here it goes. I wish that you could feel it. It's just
So John, what'd you do to it?
CnC ported heads, cam, Kooks Longtube headers, and the connecting pipes.
And then a custom tune?
A custom tune by Grande, as well as a high stall torque converter.
Awesome. Custom tune by Grande at RPM. What else you got?
I just can't wait to get it on the road.
What are you pushing for numbers now, man?
Pushing close to 400.
400 to the wheels, right?
Yep.
Alrighty.
And your response.